Hey there everyone. So I wanted to do a little video on all about tarot as I do tarot and I just wanted to explain a little bit about how I work with tarot. So basically, you know, because I know that some people get scared of tarot. They think, oh my God, you're going to tell me something that I don't want to hear, and oh my God, and then it's set in stone, and that is not how I work with tarot. So how I work with tarot is it gives me insight as to what's going on in your life, in your subconscious mind, in your energy field, right? So we can have a look at what's going on, bring it all up and out, and then we can actually look, this is how I use it, to shift. If you're not liking where that's going, I look at, well, what do you need to do to shift it, to go on a different timeline, to go on a different way in your life, like a different, like I say, timeline, because, you know, if you think of like a timeline, like you're going this way and then you're like, no, actually, I don't want to manifest that anymore. I want to go this way, or I need to change something about me inside, you know, have a different belief or heal something to then move forward into something else, whatever it is. So I work a little bit differently with the tarot. So when things come up, it's not set in stone. It's your choice. And if we bring something up and we take a look at it and we really, you know, face it, then I would look at, okay, well, you're going down this path and you've created this. What do you want now? And then I would look at, you know, what you need to focus on to then bring whatever it is that you want to bring in, or what you need to change, you know, what you need to work on, or what you need to heal to release this to, you know, get to where you want to go. Okay, so I just wanted to really just do a little video on that about it, because, you know, I do know that people get a little bit scared, like, oh my God, I really don't want to know, right? But the thing is if you know what's going on in that subconscious mind of yours, in your energy, you can shift it, because whatever you bring that's unconscious, conscious, then you have choice, right? But if it's all swirling in the unconscious, you'll just continuously create it. Right? So what we do is we look at bringing it up and out from the unconscious to the conscious, look at it and go, do we want to choose this anymore? Yes, no, whatever it is. And then we do what we do. We release it, or, you know, you're okay with it, whatever, right? So it's actually very empowering the way I work with it. And you do go away feeling quite empowered, and have shifted a lot out of your energy, out of your mind, you know, and you get a new focus of where you want to go and what you want to do and what you want to create and manifest and all of that kind of thing. So I do work a little bit differently, always have, and I do have my clairvoyant abilities as well, and they come into it too. And my counseling as well, and my energetic work, like the whole thing just comes into the readings that I do, because I am able to see certain timelines and things like that with whatever's going on for you. And so, yeah, I just wanted to explain that. Let me know if you have any comments about, any questions about it. Happy to answer them, and let me know if this is different to what you thought, because I'm curious to know if, you know, if you've wanted a reading but you're too scared because of that, you know, you're too scared of what's going to come up. Don't be scared of it. Actually, it's good, like I said, to face it, because then you can release it and choose it no longer, and then look at what you want to choose. Alrighty, hopefully this has explained a lot, and I'll talk to you all soon.